Hello friends, this is Babita Adhikari and I am Ph.D. second year student in Department of Agriculture Extension, SD Agriculture College Tirupati, Acharya Engineering Agriculture University, Andhra Pradesh. And I completed my MSc and BSc from GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology. After that, in year 2018, I enrolled in Ph.D. program through ICAR SRF fellowship. And right now I am receiving ICAR SRF fellowship and my branch is Agriculture Extension. In 2018 I got enrolled. So I am PhD second year student. So today I am going to tell you about how can you prepare for ICAR SRF examination and what important things are there. So first of all, as we all know that you should have good idea of topic. What topics means syllabus. Okay, you download syllabus from information bulletin and you see what is there. Means you download information bulletin and see what topics are there in syllabus, because whatever there will be an examination from syllabus only. Okay, it's very important to go through it. One thing I would like to mention over here is that in our branch Agriculture Extension, many students are by choice, here by choice or by chance. Okay, it happens that in our times we want to take agronomy and then we want to take soil science or genetics, but ultimately we arrive in this branch, okay, Agriculture Extension. But it really doesn't matter that whether you are over here by choice or by chance. Okay, what is most important thing over here is your interest. So in your MSc courses you will be developing interest in Agriculture Extension branch. So with that interest you start preparing for PhD program. That is most important thing. Okay, so for clearing your basics, first of all you should go through some basic books are there, and in our MSc program and also BSc program, UG program, we will be going through many courses of introductory Agriculture Extension. And books are there like GLD book is there, Extension Communication and Management by GLD. O.P. Dhama and Bhatnagar book is there. This is the book which we went through in our MSc program. This book is very old but very nice book. Okay, it's very interesting, and for creating foundation of Agriculture Extension, this book is very nice. Other than that, other books are also there by A.A. Reddy, like Extension Education, or Venden by Ben book is there, Agriculture Extension Science book by Rollings is there. That book is very nice, and books like this are very important to clear your basics. Okay, so after you're done with your basics, the book second very important unit is research methodology. So for not only for research methodology, for all units I am telling you that most of these units will be covered in our MSc courses only. Okay, so while you are having MSc courses, you are reading those courses, that time only you refer those books. Okay, it's important that you read books from earlier time only, so it will save your time and also it will create a good knowledge base for you in Agriculture Extension. So for research methodology also, I remember in our time our professor used to refer 3-4 books, like C.R. Kothari book is there, research methodology, then book by GLD and Sagar Mandal is there, Karlinger book is there, Foundations of Behavioral Research books, and many other books are there for agriculture, this research methodology in extension education or behavioral research. Okay, so you start preparing notes from that time only. So it is very important unit, not only for PhD point of view, for ICAR net also. For ICAR net also you should have good knowledge of research methodology. It is going to help you out in long term. Okay, other units are there like training for human resource management, human resource development, then management. For this also books are there like Dimensions of Agriculture Extension chapter is there, which is they have discussed in detail this topic. After that, management, this book is there by Kuhns, Weirich and Kenais. This book was really helpful. Not all chapters I read, I remember, I will be true to myself. Okay, so only few selective chapters I went through. Management theories are discussed very nicely in this book, and then Tom metrics, SWOT analysis, things are like this are very nice in this book. Leadership theories even are discussed in this book. So management book you can go through. Other than that, I remember Dr. S.K. Kashyap one book is there, Training for Management. That book we went through in our time for clearing our basics in training, and that book is really interesting. Other books are also there, you can go through. So you should have good knowledge of training part. Okay, many books are there. Manual is there by one IRA manual by Anita Jhamtani ma'am. Other authors also there in that book. So topic wise you go through it. Okay, After that, 4 small units are there, I remember. Rural Sociology, JP Chitambar book is there. After that, Diffusions of Innovation, E.M. Rogers book is there. So I advise all of you to go through this book, E.M. Rogers Diffusion of Innovation, because this book is very, very, very interesting. Okay, they have discussed cases. Through cases, they have told us that what is adoption, diffusion, other terms related to it. Okay, and over adoption and consequences of diffusion. Books like means cases are there in that book, so it's very interesting. While you're having your courses, you are reading your courses, you nicely go through this book, and it's very, very nice to read this book, A.M. Rogers Diffusion of Innovation, this unit. Okay, then small one, another small unit is there, Fundamentals of Entrepreneurship. Many books are there. S.K. Mohante book for Fundamentals of Entrepreneurship, that book is there. Okay, then Farm Journalism and Communication Skill, another book by G.L. Ray, that book is very important. Other books are also there, you can go through. After that, ICT, that is very, very and recent topic. Okay, for ICT you can get online material is available. You can go through it. And other than that, books are also there like ICT Innovation, Global Innovation, that book is there. And you can get online, most of the material will get online. You just have to compile what ICT revolutions are going on right now in agriculture and rural development. Okay, after that, gender is very important. For that, book is there, no? Brief Book of Extension Education by Shruti ma'am and Madan Singh. Okay, and that they have discussed in brief gender, and you can take thread from this book. Other than that, you can search material from the website of Center for Women in Agriculture, Bhubaneswar. That website, their website, you can go. Other than that, global goals, which is also called Sustainable Development Goals, they have also mentioned. So like this, movements, programs, policies, scheme for women, you can go through it. Okay. Extension program planning, that is very, very, very important unit for our point of view, from knowledge point of view. For that also, one book by A.S. Sandhu, and it is discussed in chapters, different chapters also of basic books. You can go like Dimensions of Agriculture Extension, they have mentioned this in detail in their book also. And one important unit is Agriculture Communication. For that, one book is there by A.S. Sandhu. Book name is also Agriculture Communication. It is very small book and it's very interesting book. You can go through it. Okay, it's very important. You will get overlapping material in other books from that book. So it's very nice. After that, Introductory Psychology. Although it's not that much important, but one book by C.T. Morgan is there. That book name is Introductory Psychology by C.T. Morgan. So there they have mentioned school of thoughts, attitude, personality, perception. Term construct like this are discussed in that book in detail, and with examples, with illustrations. That book is very nice for understanding introductory psychology. Just like Rural Sociology, J.P. Chitambar book is there. You can go through it for creating your knowledge base in agriculture extension. I think this much is there in our branch. This much is there, and this is subjective part. Okay, once you are done with your subjective part, you have to move objective part. For objective, many books are there. Many books you will find. So you can go through any of them. 4 books which I read while I was preparing, and my friends also, we used to read same books. Okay, so Sunil VG book is there, book by MCQs by Sunil VG, MCQs in Agriculture Extension by Asif Muhammad K. Punnuswamy sir. Another books are also there, and then book is there, Instant Extension Education by Shruti ma'am. Then Brief Book of Extension by Madan Singh and Shruti ma'am. These books are there, and these books are very interesting. Okay, and other books are also there. So I followed these books very, very diligently while I was preparing. Last 2 months I was doing these books only. Okay, so once you are done with your subjective part, you can move to these parts. Okay, because the objectives help you out a lot for revision while you are doing revision. Okay, other books are also there, you can go through them. Okay, because we are a student of agriculture extension, so we are expected, and we should be good at updates. We should be good at policies, programs, reports. Okay, for that you can subscribe Kurukshetra. I remember when we were in MSc, me and my friends, we used to subscribe Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is journal of journal. It is a magazine by Department of Rural Development. So there they will mention recent programs, policies which are launched by government for sake of farmers. Okay, so we used to have monthly subscription, so we used to read it monthly, so it was very easy for us. By the end of our MSc, we had good idea of which programs, policies are going on. Okay. Like this you can go and monthly or yearly or 6 monthly, once in a 6 month or daily basis, what suits you according to yourself, you can prepare your current affairs also in agriculture extension. Then ICAR annual report is there, ICAR website is there, Ministry of Agriculture annual report is there, website is there. You keep on updating yourself with these things. Okay, then CACP is there, CACP, their minimum support price is there, and agriculture statistic is there, that how much production is there, production of egg or production of food grade, production of pulses, production of fisheries, animal husbandry. Statistics is also important. So overall, this is how you are going to prepare for our branch agriculture extension. Okay. Then what is most important thing over here is that while we are in MSc second year, we are writing thesis. So sometimes we are like, oh, who will prepare for this exam? It's so difficult. But what is most important thing here over here is that you should keep yourself motivated, because this is how you're going to achieve it. Okay, I know it's very difficult, but you have to do it. And for this, you can go through, you can discuss things with your seniors. So when we are Pannagar, we were lucky that we had very, very nice seniors, like Kanksha ma'am is there, Devasi sir is there, Girjesh sir is there. So we used to scratch our seniors, I remember. so we used to have mock examination every 15 days, I remember. And we used to go prepared in those exams. After reading only, we used to give that exam. It was really, really helpful for us. So it's very important that you read things. There's no shortcut in reading. Okay, you have to read books. There's no shortcut. You have to read. You have to put your hours in reading. That is most important. After you are done with reading, you can discuss with your juniors or with your friends or with your seniors or all of them. Okay, it's very important. So in Pannagar, we used to discuss things with our seniors. They used to clear our doubt. So it was very nice. Discussion is very important. Okay. So this is how you can prepare for this examination. All the books which I have mentioned in this video, link will be shared by Gracious Mehra sir. He will be telling you which books you can go through. So you can go to the link and also subscribe his channel. And I wish you all the best for this examination, ICAR SRF examination, and for PhD program also. Apart from preparing for exams, it is very important. One advice I would like to give you over here is that you keep yourself updated with agriculture extension, updates in agriculture extension, current affairs. It's very important. Okay, so the last part which I have discussed is very important, of subscribing Kurukshetra, subscribing Yojana, getting updates from Ministry of Agriculture. It's very important, or programs planning, policies, schemes which are going on. Keep yourself updated and set target for yourself every time you read and complete your targets. Definitely you are going to crack this exam. It's not very hard not to crack. If I can do this, you can definitely do this, because I used to be like average students in my times. Okay, so definitely you can do this examination, you can crack this examination. And I wish you all the very best for ICAR SRF examination, and also for your PhD. Thank you.